You know, it's always smart to save up for a rainy day. Only problem is, you never know when that rain's gonna come, right? That's what happened to the Millers, who lived in a great house with some not-so-great gutters. They figured they'd save up a little cash every month and take care of the $1,400 gutter repair later. But later came a lot sooner, when an epic rainstorm poured water on their roof, which leaked through the attic, and soaked through the ceiling, and damaged their floors. And just like that, a $1,400 repair bill turned into thousands, with an S. Ouch. If the Millers had been ready with a home equity line of credit, or HELOC, they could have started the repairs immediately. Better yet, they could have already fixed the gutters and avoided the other problems, because a HELOC is easy to get and the funds are available for years. So when gutters need replacing, or when you need money for anything, you don't have to look for your rainy day fund. You'll already have one. We all procrastinate, but sometimes the things we put off until later come back to bite us in the wallet. With the HELOC, that'll never happen. Take a look at our other videos and learn more about why a HELOC is a smarter way to pay.